Come on, man. Them boys pulling up in that thing, man. Yeah, come on now. Come on. Yeah, pull on in up. Pull on in up. Come on. Come on. Yeah, man. Come on. Yeah. Wide body thing. Hey. Ghosty, man, ain't that thing. Yeah, come on, man. Come on, y'all see the line up, man. Line up hard. Come on, we out. We brought them out. We all the way down there. We better line them all up. Come on. All right, man, cut that copyright out, man. Copyright, brother. Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here with the meat. We pulled up. Got more power over there. Women of Torque, they done pulled up. Yeah, they pulled up. We out here heavy, man. Hey, I'm telling you, we come out here heavy. Heavy. Octane twins. Oh, somebody over there talking, brother. Alright, he don't like to talk, brother.
Yeah, I
Alright, he don't like to talk, brother.
Who we got right here?
Alright, he do that. Alright, he just do this right here. Show him what you do. Y'all see we got Mozzie out here, man. Mozzie gang, Safe Alonzo out here, man. Yeah, man. Come on, man.
What's going on, man? Army Vet 51, you know the deal. Hit me with that follow on Instagram. My YouTube channel is on my Instagram as well. Woo, that mug sound good.
Hey, he talking, bro.
That mug sound good. But anyways, I know y'all been waiting for the new car, so let's go see the new car, man.
Yeah.
It's that 2020 wide body Challenger Hellcat.
V6.
You know, yeah. You know, V6, it ain't got nothing special on it, just a V6. You know.
Well, they heavy out here today, ain't they?
Oh yeah.
Well, they heavy. I'm talking about. Come on, man.
Heavy.
Nice lineup out here, man. We finna go see this new thing, though. Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at this.
Come on, come on, man. Y'all see it, man. Yeah, man. Come on now. You done popped the hood, y'all. Come on, y'all see it, man. We wrapped in 305s all the way around. Know what I'm saying? Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what's going on. 2020 wide body thing, man. Yeah, it's nice. Then we got this one over here, F8 green. That's my man Bugging for us right there, man. I'm gonna show y'all his Instagram. Make sure y'all give him a follow. Yeah, man, give him a follow. You want to shout it out, bro? Anything? Want to talk to the people?
How's it going? I'm Josh, aka Bugging for us.
Yeah. Appreciate it for having us out, man. He had us out today, man, for the meet. Good turnout.
So anyways, 2020 wide body, custom ordered.
Yeah.
With the 6-speed manual. You have to custom order it if you want the manual. Otherwise, they'll all come automatic. I got the brass monkey package on it, as you can see, with the brass wheels. And all the Hellcat symbols are brass.
Hey,
my stick, man.
The people want to hear it, man.
Oh, they want to hear it?
Yeah, people want to hear a little something, man. People want to hear a little something, man. Come on, man, y'all. Woo. Hey, don't play with them now. Come on now, don't play with them now. Yeah. Y'all see, man, so we got more power out here, man. Yeah, man, come on. I like this thing right here. Boy, this is hard. Y'all already know, man, purple, that's one of my favorite colors. So I dig this one. Yeah, I dig this one. Hard. Come on, man, y'all check them out on YouTube. Y'all see it. Man, I like this one. Hey, man, Mo Power got one of the hardest lineups, man, in Dallas. Yeah, they lineup is crazy. I like this one. Yeah, they hard. Y'all already know right here, this boy, Safe Alonzo. General Lee, I like that one. That's hard. It's hard, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, General Lee. Come on, man. Ooh, hey. Boy, this thing here so crazy. My bro got it hard. Come on, man. Y'all go give him a follow, man. Safe Alonzo. If y'all didn't know, same thing YouTube. Check out the back. We got a supporter, man. He done came way out from Waco, man. You know what I'm saying? He rock with the channel, man. So we finna put him on the channel. Don't shout it out, brother.
RT Slack. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, follow my Instagram. That's at RT Slack.
Yeah. Come on, man. Y'all give him some love, man. He came out here from Waco, man. Y'all see his car. Better check it out, man. We got that Go Mango Orange 345 thing, man. Come on now. Yeah, man. Alcantara suede seats. Oh, yeah. Come on now. Yeah. Come on, y'all see it. Check out the wheels, man. Yeah, I like them, bro. Come on now. Come on, this man drove all the way from Waco, man, up here to Dallas Fort Worth, man, just to come to the car meet, bro. So y'all go show him some love, man. Go subscribe. Come on now. Oh yeah. Cash can in that thing. I like it. Yeah, man. So tell me, man, what kind of content you do on your channel, bro?
Just doing everything that pertains to
all things. So all things cars. Who? We ain't gonna call no scene. So yeah, man, y'all subscribe to him, man. He do got all things cars, man. Y'all check his build out. Yeah, come on, man. Hey, y'all heard what he said. Say it again, man.
I got Big Meats winning.
Yeah, come on, man. BMW, man. Big Meats winning, man. I ain't talking about no cars we drive neither. We talking about Big Meat tires on the back, man. Y'all see what he rocking, man. Let's get that official number. What that number is? Let's find that thing. Ooh, what that? Yeah. What we at? 285? Right? 295?
285, 35.
Yeah, come on, man. Yeah, Big Meats. 22s. Come on. Oh, they over there cutting up. They cutting up. So we got the women of torque. They don't pull it up, man. So shout out to them. Make sure you go follow them on the Instagram, man. So this car right here is my girls right here.
Hey.
Come on now. Duh. There you go.
On Instagram. And we
Yeah.
have The Beauties and The Beast on YouTube.
Come on now.
You guys want to go show us some love?
Yeah.
Ladies?
Show them some love.
You want to tell them?
Yeah.
Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button and turn notifications. If you like this video and get that little bell down there, press it.
All right. Y'all heard it, man. Y'all do that right now for me, man. I love that. So this is her baby right here, man. Once again, right here. Beauty, _N_the_Beast. Y'all check her out. She was wrapped up by Dallas, Texas Raps. Yeah, I love it, man. This whole yellow right here with the red pinstripes coming down, man, that's hard. Oh my God. They cutting up. Come on, man, check her out. Y'all check her out. Oh, y'all see she got that, yeah. So we already know we see that. We know what she be doing.
You got it. Be running.
Yeah, look at her. She be running that thing, man. Oh, yeah, so I'm going to get y'all check out their lineup, man. So we got Brandy Love right here. Oh! Hey, he almost hit somebody. Yeah, so we got Brandy Love, Chandra right here. I like this one right here. This one hard. Make sure y'all give her a follow, Tasha_Goddess. That thing not nice. Man, they cutting up leaving out here. Yeah, I like this one. This one hard too. I love it, I like it. Let's show y'all the loudest V6 in the world. Shit. Hey, louder than the GT, ain't it?
Louder than the GT. I am not gonna stop. Sound good, man.
Y'all see it, man. Nola_XXT, man. Y'all give him a follow, man. You know what I'm saying? Anybody out there got a V6, y'all want to know how to get y'all car loud? You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to have an RT to have no loud car.
Nah, you really don't.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, this man got a V6. Hey, I'm talking about it's louder than some of these Scat Packs and Hellcats and RTs and all that. You know what I'm saying? So what we doing right here, bro? What we got going?
So, I'm the first one to have an American Muscle doing a complete anime themed sticker book.
Okay.
The whole entire front was done until that storm came by with the hurricane and blew my shit away, man. So now I'm redoing it.
Yeah. Y'all see we got the whole anime characters going on right here, man. Yeah, man. You gonna burn that one? I know he's gonna hit that one.
That shit horrible, man. Shit horrible.
Oh. Ah, see, I'm finna cut the camera off now. Hey, y'all heard that, man? It's the loudest V6 in the world, man. That's the loudest V6 in the world right there. I done heard, man. You know what I'm saying? What's up, bro?
That V6 might be louder than your car.
Hey, it might be, bro. It might be.
Sound like motherfucking Honda pulling up.
Oh, you like that? You nigga don't get yours like that.
Hell no. I probably sound better though.
You ain't got no cat, no nothing.
I don't like that.